And in the middle of all of that, while we're just quietly not responding, I see fucking Chetan Bhagat having a comment about this. And I was like, okay, you know what? I have screenshots of everything.
Oh, whoa! Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Ma Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Ma Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Put your hands together and please welcome Ronak Rajane! Yeah! Welcome.
Thanks for having me, guys.
I'm sure you are not used to a show where 4 people sit on a chair and then they
my
read a
worst.
story and then 4 comedians react to it. Must be a new format for you.
It's a new format. Yes.
This is relation dis.
And we changed it up a lot by
A
putting
lot.
Ronak here.
Anyway, so like we said, we're going to get to Ronak's story, but before that, we've also have people who mailed in their stories. So we're going to do that one first.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kautuk, take it away.
Okay. So this section is called mailbags. And in our mailbag, we found this one story. It said, my yoga class owner had defaulted on paying the rent. One day, 3 men entered the studio in the middle of the class and began hurling abuses, saying, Bhenchod, Rajendra kidhar hai? Rajendra was the owner of the studio and he was also in the class with us. They created such a scene that it destroyed all our mental peace for years.
I feel like Rajendra knew they were coming for him, which is why he hid in a yoga class. That's like the perfect place to hide, to be like, I'm the most innocent person.
हाँ, मैं तो अपने time पे bill भरता हूँ. ये देखो.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I think those guys must have come in and beaten up Rajendra. और राजेंद्र को forever yoga pose में रख दिया.
भाई राजेंद्र के पास जाओ, he is very flexible. सर और कुछ पोज भी नहीं, पहले ये सीखो आप.
You think his rental plans were flexible? But also, like, have you guys ever defaulted on rent, loans, anything like that?
No, not me, but the place that I grew up in, my neighbors, they did.
हाँ.
Okay, so I was 7, 8 years old and दोपहर के टाइम पे आके बेल मार रहे हैं लोग. You open the door, पठानी में आदमी ऐसे एकदम मतलब मैं तो 3 साल 3rd standard में वो टाइम पे. So we don't know who these people are. Next day another big guy comes. 3rd day, 3 different people have come on 3 different days.
हाँ.
Then we found out my neighbor has sold the flat to 3 people.
And all of them were Pathanis.
No, first there was Pathan.
He
I
sold it
keep
to the,
assuming Pathani वाला ही आते जा रहा है बार-बार.
he sold it to the cast of Dhurandhar.
Dude, and they were coming to our house because the neighbor's surname was Thakkar.
So,
तो उन लोग ने
Oh, is it Thug Kar?
no! Thakur!
Thakur na.
Thakur,
They had
Thakur.
taken their name plate out. They come start ringing our bell thinking we are Thakkar. I said, but Thakur hai na hum log.
Abey, bro, if they knew how to read, they wouldn't have bought this fucking...
Dude. So wait, these guys came up in full Pathanis ready to fight, and you were like, nahi, galat ghar, and they were like, I guess so.
क्या बोलूं मैं?
And they
No,
went
no,
away.
my parents were also there na.
Oh, okay,
It
okay,
wasn't
okay.
like me 3rd standard का. हाँ बोल भाई.
माँ कसम, ये story सच है.
Yeah.
क्या बात? हाँ.
Okay. I have a story about how in November 2021, I spread a rumor on the internet that I am Chetan Bhagat's childhood friend.
Childhood friend.
Yeah. First of, I mean, I did this all over the lockdown. Just fucking, you can do whatever. You're stuck at home, right? So I don't know. I did it the first time I did it. There was like, do you guys remember there was a trend on on Instagram Reels where a person says, "This is who I am now, but once I used to be," and then it is him as a child actor in an iconic movie. So it was, "This is who I." So I put a reel. "This is who I am now," and then it was the kid from Kauna Pyar Hai. Okay.
The guy who does this.
Yeah, this. It's me. You can also.
That kid
Ronak-
from that movie, man, the moment Hrithik Roshan dies, he goes into depression.
Yeah,
I have never seen a child makeup kiya hoga. They put like, dark circles around the child.
Those were the 3 Pathanis who beat him up.
I've never seen a child read a man's face through braille. Like, it's crazy.
ऐसे scan करता है.
Yeah. So for the longest time, I don't know if you can still do it. When you type Ronak Rajani on Google, it says Ronak Rajani, stand-up, relationship, wife, age, child actor. So, and by the way, that the actual actor like DM'd me saying, "Why the fuck you taking my biggest legacy away from me?"
Bro, he stopped talking again. And then first ऋतिक का सदमा अभी रौनक का सदमा भी ऐसा ही है.
And then Ronak was like,
So anyway, this is around the time when Veer Das's controversy had happened.
Which one?
The Two Indias controversy. And,
Classic.
Classic.
Classic?
Yeah, we're going with the old school. Huh?
Yeah, when he used to do One India controversies. that was-
One a year. Huh?
Okay, so there's a lot of as comics, you end up reading a lot of shit. And it gives you a lot of anxiety because it's like, oh, this could happen to me. We also know Veer, so we felt like, oh, why this poor guy has to go through this? All of this is happening, so we're all constantly
I
checking.
love as comics were like, do you know what? It could happen to me. I could also be as famous as him. And फिर मेरे साथ भी हो जाएगा. That's why I don't want to get into this fame and all.
So anyway, so then people send screenshots to each other. We discuss saying, hey, तेरे को कोई press से phone आया, etc., etc. And in the middle of all of that, while we're just quietly not responding, I see fucking Chetan Bhagat having a comment about this. And I was like, okay, you know what? I have screenshots of everything.
Oh, whoa!
Okay.
Wow!
It says Ronak Rajani in case someone stole it. They-
Bro, wow!
so I have receipts. That's right, lawyers. मैंने भी LLB किया है.
और तू photo paper पे लाया. It's not
Page
even
one.
regular.
Laminated है भाई.
Yes, bro. Yes, brother.
Wow!
I must tell you something. You can ask them, every episode of Relationship you watched, those cue cards are also never laminated.
yeah,
Yeah.
he's done more production for this than we have done.
Ah, man, give it up
And
for
he
Ronak,
has
yaar.
done.
Come on. Yeah.
So, my biggest problem with Chetan Bhagat was that you, as somebody who has influence, don't cause a whole mob of people to be angrier at a person that everyone already is angry at. And he had this bullshit argument, which actually, please delete this part from your edit. The bullshit argument is, हम लोग में flaws है पर बाहर जाके मत बोलो. As if people can't fucking read things. Okay, this is why there are pedophiles in families. You know that, right? Because
I was wondering what part we had to edit. And there it came.
भाई पूरा सब तो अच्छे बराबर ही बोल रहा है.
Normally बोल रहा है.
So anyway, so Chetan Bhagat tweeted saying, I may fight or find faults with my mother, but I won't go criticizing her in the neighbor's house. I may find 100 things wrong with my country, but I won't criticize it. Whatever, just you got the gist of it. Okay, and I was like, man, Chetan Bhagat, don't do this don't kick a man when he's down. Okay, I wanted to say something, but obviously, like, who's gonna fight, right? So instead, I retweeted it saying, you want to read my tweet?
Sure. Ronak wrote, not a lot of people know this, but I grew up in Narayana Vihar, West Delhi, right next to Chetan Bhagat's house. And he would criticize his mom all the time to my parents. In fact, it was my parents that would try to explain to him that what he's doing is wrong. And the most amazing part about this is that Ronak in one tweet has written better than Chetan Bhagat. This is insane.
Bro,
This is better fiction.
This is great fiction.
that's
No,
great.
and this is correct use of lockdown time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
कहाँ जा रहा हूँ मैं तो इधर ही हूँ.
I'm at a COVID wedding in Gurgaon while this is happening. Okay, it's 1. This is like maybe at 8 p.m. I tweeted this. It's 1 a.m. My friend who's a comedian but primarily a writer. You guys know him, Neil Baltazar. Neil calls me at 1 a.m. and says, "Bro, जो तेरे Twitter पे मजे किए हैं." And I was like, "What are you even fucking talking about?" Okay, then I opened and I had ratioed. You guys know what ratioing, right? I ratioed Chetan Bhagat. Ratio means I got more retweets on my bullshit than he got on his bullshit. So I was like, yes, I am drunk. I'm in Gurgaon. Let's behave like a drunk Gurgaon person.
So you took out your Scorpio and you drove.
Yes. By the way, he actually did grow up in Narayana Vihar.
So you did your research, which is
Yeah,
great.
So you had typed Chetan Bhagat house before you wrote
Chetan Bhagat house, Chetan Bhagat childhood actor. All of those things. I found Chetan Bhagat's. I found his address and I wrote it. And also my plan the next day was to go to Naranya Vihar and take a picture saying missing Bhaiya. but the hotel had COVID restrictions. So I had to fucking stay in the fucking hotel. So anyway, Chetan Bhagat tweets back at me. Thakur, you want to read this? Yes. He doesn't address me directly, but it was pretty clear.
He said, "बहन के लोड़े मातर."
मेरी माँ. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Okay, so Chetan Bhagat writes, "Losers falsely claiming to be associated with me and lying to get loser likes lol. How loser-like their life must be that they do this for validation."
Ronak has still
Published
written better
author.
than this. Yeah.
Fucking
Bhai Galib.
published author used the word loser thrice.
Yeah. And
What is wrong with you?
Falsely का spelling है FASLELY.
Oh no.
That's my favorite type of music, Fossily.
Falsely.
Okay, so anyway, so when he tweeted this, he did not at me, but I was in Gurgaon, so
You get at it anyway.
I retweeted it. I quote tweeted it saying, "Bhaiya, kaun hai ye losers?" आप बोल दो मैं मारूंगा उसको. You know, Bhaiya, since childhood I get very defensive about you.
Bro, this is actually so well written. Just the fiction or पूरा उसका flow is better than 5 point someone.
He's like fourth idiot तो इधर है.
So now I'm waiting since morning for my dopamine hit of Chetan Bhagat fighting back with me. The most important day of my life, but he's not fucking. This is one of my closest friends getting married to, like, she's moving away from Mumbai. All my friends are crying, they're gonna miss her, and I'm just like, Jana ye. So what I did was, I went on Twitter in the morning and I said, I used to be at Chetan Bhagat's childhood neighbor. Ask me anything.
Bro, I love how you've doubled down.
Fuck that, dude. I'm gonna kick a man when he's down if he kicks other people when he's down.
Yeah.
That's the only way I justify it so that the court doesn't. Anyway. So Shailesh Ranjan said, "Does he know how to dance? Because I saw him as a judge in a dance show." To which I said, "Yes, not a lot of people know that. Most fights he had with his mom were because she never supported his dancing career."
1 second, Chetan Bhagat judged a dance show?
Yes.
I didn't even know this. No.
No, bro. Yeah, he was a judge of a dance show, bro. I mean, Karan Johar was India's Got Talent, so.
फिर भी समझता
But
launch
one second,
करेगा.
not knowing how to do something has never stopped Chetan Bhagat before.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's half dancer.
So. In fact, he gave Farah Khan her big break. Nikhil Sood asked me, was he the sort of guy who lied about having a girlfriend as a kid? To which I said he was actually the heartthrob of our colony. I remember two girls from B Block, Disha Didi and Samaira Didi. They had broken each other's collarbones fighting over him. But Chetan Bhaiya was focused on his studies. Nugget, that's just her name. Nugget asked me, was he the coolest kid in your neighborhood? To which I said, undoubtedly. There was a certain Pathak auntie on the second floor of the F block. And if the ball in brackets, while playing cricket ever went into her house, she would never return it. One day, Chetan just sold all his crypto and bought the house to give us our balls.
चेतन भगत खुद देके बोल रहा मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ यार. I'm a great
इसमें तो
man.
नॉवल लिखनी पड़ेगी just.
Now it's lunchtime. Everybody is crying for my bride friend. I am crying that Chetan Bhagat does not love me anymore. So I went and made a picture of me and Chetan Bhagat
Oh no.
and said, for those in my DMs asking for proof of me and Chetan Bhagat as kids, here it is.
Oh, I thought you would use Arjun Kapoor's picture, but
I took a picture. I mean, there was no, back in the day, there was no chat GPT.
Yeah.
So I had to download a picture of 2 children.
Edit
I
that.
chat GPT did. And then finally he gives me attention. He retweets it and says, "Damn, my brother from another mother." To which I said, "Another mother who has had to hear you complain about about your own for all these years. But Bhaiya, that's all in the past. I miss you."
Please घर आ जाओ.
You want to
Still
read?
going on.
Okay, Adar, let's see what he says.
Okay, Chetan has gone full tilt. Chetan has tweeted, "Trigger the trolls, full stop. They," which starts with a small case T, "act according to plan and give you," the letter, "massive engagement, full stop. They," starts with a small case T again, "get likes too, comma. Javed Salman. Everyone else gets entertained. Win, win, win." Again, all small case.
Again, used win thrice just like he used loser twice. Okay, so whatever. So then I just told him, "Yes, Bhaiya, you're right. My favorite thing to tell the trolls is, deti hai to de, varna cut le." Some of you are too young to know that reference. And please stick to J.K. Rowling. You can fight with her also on Twitter, by the way. Okay, so anyway, at this point, my wife confiscates my phone. Rightfully so. So I go back to Bombay and I see this. Somebody messaged me saying, this is the best part, okay? I couldn't do the deed anymore. So people did it for me. So one guy says, "Are you really his childhood neighbor?" So Prince Aurora replies saying, "My dad used to own a shop in their neighborhood." And I have seen Ronak and Chetan, they used to come to buy Churan together. They were 100% neighbors. Adnan Ali replies, "Yes, I used to visit your dad's shop. And I have seen you watching Ronak and Chetan."
by the way, I do think that after your first tweet, I think Chetan Bhagat has asked his childhood friends, "ये रौनक था क्या?" याद नहीं.
After the picture, he asked his mom, "Is this me?" Dude, it's just me and him with our adult noses and adult glasses and a child's body. It was so funny.
But ये सब करने के बाद did Veer call you upon? कि भाई thank you यार तूने.
Dude, he was so sweet. He was like, he DM'd me saying, "You didn't have to do this." I was like, "Arey, Veer, I love you and I'm very happy that you're safe and I pray that you're safe." But this was more, But but I was like, this was more fun for me. So just chill.
Then you're telling me, by the way, I also live near your house.
Dude, it's so funny that the whole country was just talking about Veer that one weekend. And like everybody was like, "Bro, you'll get in trouble if you fight." I was like, no one's even looking at this. Let's just have this fucking moment bullying Chetan Bhagat. It's like, there's 2 people fighting and you're like, "Hey, isko bhi maar." This
Now
is
Arjun Kapoor is playing Ronak in a movie.
You have created a relation with Chetan and it was shit. Like, this is amazing. Well done.
Oh, by the way, if you go on my Twitter profile, it still says writer, stand-up comic, Chetan Bhagat's childhood friend.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.